Hey guys, today I will show you how to create a work form in Monday.com. First, click the blue plus button in the left-hand sidebar and select Form to start a work form. You can either create one from scratch or choose a template. Second, the work form editor will open next to a board view. Customize your form by adding questions. Use the Edit tab to add and pick your question types like text, date, drop down, people, and etc. by clicking on the plus button under each question. Then reorder them as needed. Third, switch to the Design tab to style your form. Change color themes, add a logo, choose whether to show a progress bar, and decide between classic or 1x1 format. Fourth, click the Settings tab to configure permissions. Decide if submitters can edit responses, whether form responses create new items, set which board group submissions go into, and more. Finally, click Share Form in the top right. From there, copy a shareable link, embed the form in a website, or share it via social. And that's how you create a work form in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.